I spent over 65 hours testing Mailchimp and these 8 other email marketing tools. So in this Mailchimp review, I'll break down their key features like landing page builder, email marketing automation, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score Mailchimp out of 5 and give you my personal recommendation. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is best for you. Ease of use. Mailchimp has a clean interface and their tools are easy to use overall. The setup process is straightforward and they do a good job making sure you complete all the necessary steps when creating a new email campaign. However, the navigation could be clearer since certain functions are slightly hidden. For example, finding the automations builder takes some digging around in the campaign section, which can be frustrating for new users. Mailchimp's editor is fast and easy to use. You have all the main content blocks like images and social buttons, but also some unique blocks like surveys and products. Mailchimp offers over 274 modern looking templates that work well on all devices. You can also upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand kit for consistent branding. While you can save and reuse templates, you can't do the same for individual content blocks, which would save time when building emails. Once you're able to search through the maze to find the landing page section, you'll find 9 fairly plain looking templates which you can connect with your own domain name and host it with Mailchimp. But the downside here is the editor is not versatile and they don't have A/B testing features for the landing page, which is a big limitation for optimizing conversions. The form builder lets you create embedded and pop-up forms, but it's super basic and you can't do much compared to other email platforms. You don't get any templates to choose from and you can't A/B test these forms either. But if you want to start your own high converting landing page, an email marketing campaign that gets you the leads you need for your business, then you can go here to collect the 8-step guide to creating lead magnets that convert for free. Overall, I give Mailchimp a 4 for ease of use. They have a user-friendly interface and decent email editor, but they lose a point for the hidden navigation and limited form building capabilities. Features. Mailchimp offers decent segmentation. They let you combine a wide range of filters like what email client subscribers use or the subscriber's email engagement level. These are quite unique compared to other basic email platforms. You can also add tags to organize your contacts better. However, there's a big negative with Mailchimp. Each list is separate, which makes tasks like removing inactive contacts more complicated and time-consuming than with other tools. What's even worse is Mailchimp charges you for unsubscribes and duplicate contacts, which can really add up over time. The automation features are pretty robust, with over 100 templates to start with. You can send follow-up emails based on opens, clicks, and even abandoned carts for email commerce websites. More complex automations for goals and re-engagements are also available. Unfortunately, automation features aren't available on the free or pay-as-you-go plans. Some important features are missing too, like the ability to A/B test automations and automations triggered by web page visits. This is where Mailchimp really shines. There are over 300 integrations available for your account, from e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce to social media like Instagram and Facebook, and website integrations like WordPress and Wix. You'd be hard-pressed to find an area that's not covered here. This makes it easy to connect Mailchimp with almost any tool you're already using. Unlike some competitors, Mailchimp don't let you sell digital products directly from their platform. You'll need to rely on their third-party integration for e-commerce functionality. They also don't offer paid newsletter features, which limits your income-generating options compared to newer platforms. Deliverability rate is not an issue for Mailchimp. They have a 92.6% score, which is up there with the very best, so you don't have to worry about your emails getting stuck in spam folders. The reporting features are comprehensive and include pretty much everything you need. You get email performance reports, Google Analytics integration, and conversion tracking, plus revenue, location tracking, click mapping, and social media reports. They even let you exclude automated Apple Mail opens for your open rate, which gives you more accurate data. Overall, I give Mailchimp a 3.5 for features. They have solid reporting and excellent integrations, but they lose points for charging for inactive contacts, limited free plan features, and the lack of built-in monetization tools. And if you want to get started and test this out for yourself, you can click on the link in the description of this video or type in this link where you'll be able to get a 14-day free trial with Mailchimp and my special discount if you continue to use them. Customer support. Mailchimp offers a migration service, but only if you sign up for their most expensive premium plan, which starts at $267 per month. With this service, they will import your audience list, organize your audience segments, and set up your integrations. However, email templates and forms are not included. You'll have to do that yourself. I think paying hundreds of dollars just to access migration support feels really steep, especially when other providers offer this on a much cheaper plan. Mailchimp has a 3.0 rating with over 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot, which is not so great overall. The main complaint they are receiving is their poor customer service and value for money due to their recent pricing increases and making their service much more expensive. Mailchimp has a thorough and easy search knowledge base. However, you only get access to live chat support if you upgrade to a paid plan. And even then, the live chat is quite slow compared to other tools I've tested. And phone support is only available on their most expensive premium plan. Overall, I give Mailchimp customer support a 2.5. They lose points for expensive migration support, limited free support options, and slow response times. The knowledge base is good, but that's not enough when you need real help. Pricing. This is where Mailchimp really struggles. While they offer a free plan for up to 500 contacts, it's really limited. You can only send 1,000 emails per month, there's no scheduling, and automation features are completely removed. Their paid plans are expensive compared to competitors. Their essential plan starts at $75 per month for 5,000 contacts. Standard is $100 per month, and premium jumps to a whopping $350 per month. As your list grows, prices increase dramatically. For 50,000 contacts, you'll pay $385 per month on their starter essential plan. The biggest problem is that Mailchimp charges for all contacts, including unsubscribed and inactive ones. This means you could be paying for thousands of contacts who will never see your emails. Most competitors only charge for active, engaged subscribers, and that's the way it should be. Overall, I give Mailchimp a 2 for pricing. The free plan is too limited to be useful, and the paid plans are expensive, especially when you're paying for contacts that can't even receive your emails. Overall, I scored Mailchimp a 3. While Mailchimp is still a capable platform with great integrations and comprehensive reporting, it's no longer the unbeatable bargain it used to be. Mailchimp works if you're a larger business that values extensive integration and doesn't mind paying premium prices. However, if you're budget conscious or serious about getting the best features for your money, then I would definitely recommend you check out this alternative here. But if you're ready to get started with Mailchimp, then watch this full Mailchimp tutorial next to get started.